This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for January 26, 2023. It's currently December 5th, 2022, 6:19 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior, we have sideways price swings. Usually, but not often, not always, I should say. The Dominion card is bullish price swings, but mostly sideways, but with a bullish trend to it. It may not be the case here. Looks like we have a high early in the day and a high at the end of the day, both with a sharp decline off of them, like a notable reversal that'll stand out on a one-day chart off of both highs. Behavior around the low, we meet a resistance level and break down from that resistance level, consecutively lower spikes up on the way down to meet the low. But that low it doesn't hold. It looks like we come back from the low again to meet the high. In the pre-market, there's three crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level, confirming a bullish trend. Bullish trend doesn't hold though. There's erratic price behavior back and forth through the same price level around the open. In the midst of that erratic behavior, we revisit a crest that was recently a past opportunity. On the scale of a one-day, past opportunities like within a few days, probably within a few hours. And then we see a notable decline out of that crest at the open. There's a notable decline in that first half hour. Out of that decline, though, we have a fast sudden move to the upside to reach for our first high of the day. That takes place between roughly 2 and 3 o'clock. Between roughly 10 and 11 o'clock. We'll know that high is formed when there's a failed attempt to break through key resistance on a one-day chart, followed by a decline through key support. And that'll take place roughly between 10 and let's say 12. Decline more so between 11 and 12. And then there's a big move in the middle part of the day, somewhere between roughly 12 and 1 o'clock. There's a big, probably closer to 1, there's a big move to the upside to reach for a key resistance level. And it'll be, the science card is usually a critical technical price level on more than just the scale of like the reading. So in the scale of a one-day reading, the science card is probably speaking of like a multi-day technical price level. And we have a big move to reach it midday. We do some sideways rotation along that price level for a bit, ending with a fast sudden move higher to meet another high for the day. And from that high, we decline to and through a support level. We do a U-shape like reversal below that support level, come back and reuse it as support between roughly 2 and 3, and then in that last hour we decline off of a high, a notable decline standing out on a one-day chart at least, breaking down around the close through a support level that we had recently broken down through once before. And then we do sideways rotation in the post-market, gradually increasing with bullish momentum as we move forward into the day, or into the post-market. Sneak preview for the following day, we open lower and there's multiple, we break down through multiple support levels. That's the S&P 500 for January 26th. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. Most importantly, make sure you follow that rule of karma. Pay a little bit forward, especially in this holiday season, my friends. Pay a little bit backwards. Show your appreciation to the channel and make sure we keep going. We keep rolling. Most importantly, guys, follow that rule of karma. Follow that golden rule. It's called the golden rule for a reason. And make sure you spend that money out of love. As long as you spend that money out of love, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.